Hi, I'm Griffin Baring, Product Manager for the Crescent brand. I'm here today to talk to you about our new driver program. Crescent offers a complete line of drivers, including a broad range of sizes and types, including Phillips, Torx, nut drivers, and slotted. The new Crescent screwdrivers feature a dual material handle that was designed for improved comfort and performance. We've also added a hang hole for easy storage, and they can also be used with an additional driver to create a T-handle. The chrome-plated blade provides corrosion resistance and is easy to clean. We also have the sizes laser etched on the blade. Also features a black oxide tip that's a strong and durable construction and helps reduce slippage. For more information on Crescent drivers and other tools, visit our website.